Rain falls on these empty streets. Your shadow still walks next to me. Every light reminds me of what we used to be. I still hear your voice at midnight, whispering my name so slow. But the silence after goodbye cuts deeper than you know. I keep driving through the city, trying not to look behind, but every road leads back to the memory of your eyes. And I pretend I'm fine when the world asks how I've been, but every time it rains, you come alive again. I'm still holding on to the ghost of your love. Even when the lights go out, I still feel your touch, and I can't let go. Though you're already gone in the middle of the night, I'm still holding on. Coffee stains and old photographs scattered on the floor tonight. Your sweater hanging by the window feels like you're still alive. People say that time will heal me, but they never saw your smile. They don't know how hard it is just surviving for a while. I keep talking to the dark, like somehow you're still here. Maybe love never really leaves, it just disappears. I'm still holding on to the pieces of our hearts. Even if the sky falls down, I'll love you through the dark. And I can't move on, no matter how I try, 'cause a part of me still lives in your goodbye. Rain falling softly tonight, street lights fading into gold, and somewhere in the silence I still hold your soul.